Diabetes treatment includes a combination of healthy diet, exercise routines and drugs. These are inseparable treatments. Combining methods will help improve the effectiveness of treatment and prevent complications. The first, diabetes treatment with nutrition. There is no same diet for all people with diabetes. No food is strictly forbidden for people with diabetes. However, you should avoid foods that cause high blood sugar after meals, which affects blood fat and blood pressure. The general rule is that a diabetic diet needs to coordinate a balanced diet of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and fiber. For carbohydrates, patients should use products with a low glycemic index, high in fiber such as whole grains, legumes, lower sweet fruits and green vegetables. You should limit foods with high glycemic index such as cakes, candies, carbonated soft drinks, sweet fruits like longan, lychee, watermelon. For fat, people with diabetes should limit eating animal fat, animal viscera, fast food. When trying to cure type 2 diabetes, you should eat vegetable oil, lean meat and fish. You can use more products for diabetics such as milk, cakes, cereals. To ensure a proper diet for your health, you should consult nutritionists in the field of metabolic pathology. The second, diabetes treatment with exercises. Everyone needs to increase their daily exercise, especially people with type 2 diabetes. Exercises of whole body, brisk walking, jogging, swimming or any other sport will help improve blood sugar, control weight, reduce insulin resistance and protect the heart. You need to pay attention. Exercise activity can cause hypoglycemia during and after stopping exercise. Therefore, you should not exercise when blood sugar is low. If you are exercising with prolonged intensity, you should eat a small snack before training and drink water regularly. If you need to eat 20 grams more carbohydrates each time during exercise. To prevent hypoglycemia, you should measure your blood sugar before, during and after exercise when you change a familiar exercise. If you have hypoglycemia, you should consult your doctor to reduce the dose of medication that directly affects practicing time before adjusting your diet. You should bring some cakes, sweet candy when you exercise to be able to eat immediately when symptoms of hypoglycemia. The third, people with type 2 diabetes should monitor blood sugar. Depending on the drug treatment regimen, the number and timing of capillary blood sugar self-testing may vary. If you are currently using type 2 diabetes treatment with insulin, you need to check your blood sugar several times a day, which to monitor the response to treatment and adjust the dose. Whenever you feel tired or have unusual symptoms, you need to check your blood sugar immediately. The case of women with gestational diabetes is even more important to monitor blood sugar regularly at home. This disease usually appears around the 5th month of pregnancy, which is also the stage when the fetus is developing very fast. The fourth, diabetes treatment with medication. The pathogenesis of type 2 diabetes is complex. Therefore, there are many groups of drugs to treat type 2 diabetes according to different mechanisms of action. You should note, each drug works according to different mechanisms, there are side effects, different contraindications. Therefore, patients need to meet a doctor, obey the doctor's prescription, do not abuse prescription drugs or arbitrarily treatment. Depending on the condition, duration and complications of the disease, the doctor prescribes the appropriate groups of oral hypoglycemic agents and insulin. The fifth, type 2 diabetes treatment by surgery. This is a treatment for people with type 2 diabetes who are very obese and cannot control eating. As the stomach gets smaller, the amount of food that goes into it decreases. Therefore, the patient will lose weight and reduce insulin resistance. However, losing weight by exercising and dieting is always more encouraged than invasive intervention. These are the 5 most effective diabetes treatments. You should combine healthy diet and reasonable exercises to achieve the best effects. Let's follow your doctor's advice for the most effective diabetes treatment. You want to learn more about diabetes and information about this disease? Please visit our website, forourhealthy.com.